Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over 3 weird but profitable side hustles that you can start today. Okay? You know me, we're going to just jump straight in. The first weird but profitable side hustle is going to be user testing and AI feedback reviewer. You're probably like, Carol, what is that? That is where you are going to get paid to test websites or review AI generated content for clarity and usefulness. So things like chatbot outputs and product listings. And why is this a unique but weird gig? You're not just working like traditionally, you're just giving your opinion or checking AI logic and you're getting paid. That's it. For this type of gig, it's going to be between $10 and $60 USD, and that's going to depend on which platform you go with and the length of the gig. Now, places that you can find this type of work are going to be usertesting.com, Trimata, and Remotask. However, when I did a check again, Remotask is currently not accepting new testers, but their partner is, and there's a link to their partner on the website when you go to Remotask. The second gig that I'm going to discuss is online mystery shopping for chatbots and AI services. Now, this is nothing like playing those games on your phone, and it's nothing like that. Even though there's nothing against the little games on your phone, I'm not a fan of those, but this is similar but not quite. So what is it? You are a mystery shopper for companies testing their customer service AI chatbots or live chat support. So you know when you're on a website and that little screen pops up and it'll be a little chatbot there. That is what you're testing on the company websites. And why is this unique? Because you're essentially just getting paid to chat with a bot to make sure that it's functioning properly. You're going to ask it really intense questions instead of a basic yes or no. You want to really test it out to see if it can really compute what you're saying and give you a legitimate response. The potential income for this type of gig is going to be between $12 and $30 USD per project. So it's just going to depend on the project. Places that you can find these type of gigs are Appen and TELUS International AI. And the number 3 gig I'm going to discuss, which is probably one of my favorites, is digital product flipping. Now, I know you're probably like, Kara, what is that? It's where you buy resell rights to an already made digital product like a PLR course, ebooks, planners, courses, you name it. Somebody has it out there to resell. And you're just going to rebrand it and then you'll sell it as your own to kind of fit whatever niche you're targeting, right? And then you can sell it on places like Etsy or Gumroad. And why is this unique? Because you don't have to create this yourself. You literally are just going to buy it from someone else, and then you're going to tweak it and you're going to resell it. The potential income for this type of gig is about $10 all the way up to 200 plus. I've seen some wonderfully made PLR courses. They sell upwards in the $400 or $500. You just have to have the right niche. You have to have the right market, but the money is there. Where are some places that you can find these type of products? PLR Me, Buy Quality PLR, and Create a Fabrica. Again, this is one of my favorites. I have a few products floating around out there in the universe, but I really love this and I think it's really profitable. And it's usually a small overhead. You don't have to pay a lot to get one of these products. Those are the 3 side hustles that I have for you today. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. That way you never miss when I upload, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.